Welcome back to Automations Guru. I am here today to introduce you to something incredibly exciting, the brand new GoHighlevel Dashboard. But if you don't have access, you can go into your settings, then labs, you can turn on your dashboard, and you can also see this new dashboard in your sub account. So let's dive into this new dashboard and see like how this works. It's almost same as we have the old one, but what they did, they made some changes in analytics and they made some changes in visuals. So we in the first row we have the first column we have is opportunity status, which is like it's simple. It's the quantity of the opportunities. Like we got 65 leads opportunities totals, and out of that opportunities we got 33 in one, we got 27, we still have open like 27, and we lost 5. So then we have like opportunity value, which is like the value of that opportunities. So we can see like the value of the one leads is 3300, and the open leads is like 2700, and 500 is for the lost leads. Then we have conversion rate, which is basically total one lead percentage divided by total opportunity we got into this like account. So then we have funnel. So like I have different funnel, but for now I am going to review my sales pipeline funnel. So you can see here in the first stage we got new lead like 60. It's showing the value, and also you can see in the it's in the description icon, it's also showing the how many opportunities I have in this pipeline. So it's also showing the value, which is 60. So then we have like we got like out of that new leads we got 54 leads in hot leads, and out of that new leads we got 52 opportunities to book the appointment with us, and out of that 52 we got like 33 service completed. So this is how like it's explaining everything. And then we can also see here like we have some percentages here, cumulative percentages and next step conversion percentages. Then we have like strategies distributions, and here you can see this is basically the real-time view of the pipeline. So we can see like in real time we have $600 value opportunities in new leads. Then we have like $200 opportunities in hot leads. So same like we have $1,500 in, and we can also see the percentages here in appointment booked, and then one. These are the basically real-time percentages and values of the opportunities we have in these specific stages. Then we have tasks. So you can see like in task we can see I guess in the last dashboard version it was here in the right hand side, but now they move it to the left hand side, and it's almost same. We have status, we have like sort, and we can see like how many tasks we have in pending list. Then we have manual action. We can see all of the manual action we have in pending. And then we have lead source report. We can see our like what's the source we don't have sources here right now because I have imported them from CSV without any source. But if you got these leads from somewhere like Facebook, Google, so we will be able to see their sources here. Then we have Google Analytics report. So this is like I did not connect my GMB and Google page and Facebook account with this, but they can show the sample like how they will be look like if we connect our Google My Business account and our Facebook, so we will be able to see the analytics of that. So we can see like in this GoHighlevel dashboard we will be able to see all of our ads and Facebook's reporting, like everything will be here. So we can see like how much we are spending and how much leads are converting with GoHighlevel. So yeah, so that's the amazing dashboard. If you still don't have access to this amazing dashboard, I can explain again. You can just click on settings, and you can click on labs, And here you can just turn on the enhanced dashboard for sub accounts. So and then you can just turn this toggle on, and you can go back on dashboard and you can refresh your screen, so you will be able to see this new dashboard on your screen too. So thanks for joining me today as we explore the new amazing dashboard. I can't wait to see you how it will be helpful for you. Thank you.